Hi viewers, welcome to Damilola's kitchen. Today we'll be making coconut candy. Before we start, I would like to tell you that you should please go to my YouTube channel, like it, comment, share, and then subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. When you turn on the notification bell, you'll be seeing all of my videos regularly. Now let's go back to the cooking. First, you will need sugar, you will need coconut, you will need salt, and you will need a little bit of water. Let me explain my sugar. You see that I'm using two types of sugar. I'm using brown sugar and white sugar. Now if you don't have brown sugar, you can use only white sugar, but if you have the two, you can mix it together and use it. But some people use granulated sugar and icing sugar. They mix them together. So anyone you have, you can use it. Now let's start cooking. First, you add all your sugar to the pot. You add your water to the pot. Then you mix it together. This recipe, you can't go and sit down and be chatting. No, you can't do that. You have to stay there and mix it, because if you didn't stay there and if you didn't mix it together, they will get burnt. You have to put it in a, if I add my coconut, you have to put it in low heat. Now I would like to explain my coconut so that you can understand what I'm doing. Now I'm using this shredded coconut that I buy from the store. But if you don't have this shredded coconut, you have to use this one. I've already cut it so that you can peel. I can already peel it, break it, so that you can see what is inside. That's why I did it this way. This is it. You will use knife to cut it to this size, or you will use grater to grate it. If you don't have grater, you can just use your food processor to do it. This is what I use. This is what it looks like. It's inside the bag like this. That's what I'm using. So I will be mixing it until it's caramelized. You see, that's already dissolved. This is it. I will now add my coconut flake to the pan. I will add my sugar. I will add my salt to the pan. Salt to taste. Then you will now start mixing it. This is where the job begins. Don't leave it to go to the bathroom. No, you can't do it, because it's going to get burnt if you leave it. Now you see it's changed. It's getting color. That's the color we want, brown color. You see, it's brown. Let me show you very well. It's brown. Color brown. Yes, it has changed the color. Getting brown. If you are here now, you can feel the aroma. If you are here, you like the aroma, please try it. It's delicious. It smells so fabulous. It smells like perfume. So the pot that I'm using, you see, it doesn't stick. pot is called non-stick pan. You can use non-stick pan, but if you don't have non-stick pan, use anything you like, you have to do it. You still come out good. You see, it didn't stick to the bottom. I didn't add any oil. It's the oil from the coconut. That's what it is. Oil from the coconut. Smell nice, fantastic, fabulous. I will let it brown for just 5 minutes more. Now, this is it. It's already done. I've taken it from the stove. See? Yeah, it tastes nice. Today we make coconut candy. This is I do this one this way. You can do it this way. You can still leave it like this. It's gone. Okay, it's come together. See, this is it. It's crunchy. Let me taste. Let me just taste it for you. This is it. Delicious, sweet. It's a good snack. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time.